Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a little small overview of our Gen Y hitch that we have on our Power Stroke here. As you see, I do have the step. I have the torsion bars that are connected into the frame, and this is the dual size ball. What is it, 2-inch on one side and 2 5/16 on the other, I believe. It's been on the truck for a little while now. As you see, this is the 3 down, 1 up. I purchased it, I don't know, about 8 months or so ago. We use it for our 32-foot pull behind enclosed. Don't really have no trailer sway or nothing. She's nice and tight with those torsion bars sitting there. I've done the old shin grab a couple of times on this nice sturdy step here. But here it is, sitting up under there. Excuse the dirty mess. There you go, you see them connected into the frame. It's connected like that on both sides. You see the tip, the nice custom tip and everything over there. Been on the truck for, I don't know, almost 30,000 miles, man, and we've never really had any issues out of it other than kicking it every now and again when you ain't paying attention. Overall, I've liked it. I've used it, pulled other things besides the 32-foot enclosed that we have. The step wasn't originally for me. I got it from my grandfather on his dually because I purchased him. I think his is a 4 down or a 5 down 1 up for his dually. Looks very, very good on his truck. Mine, you know, this thing sticks out probably an almost a solid foot past the bumper. You know, it's a good deterrent for someone tries to rear end you because they ain't hurting me. It's been pretty good. Like I said, I haven't towed a whole lot of things with it, but the things that I have, with it being attached to the truck like it is, you barely even know that it's back there. If you guys have any questions about it, leave it down in the comments down below. I'll try to find a link or something to be able to to be able to put down below for the one that we have. But that's going to do it for this little short video here. Hopefully you guys like my little moose. I've had that thing on here for so long. Like, subscribe if y'all haven't already, and y'all hustle harder.